Next, I'd like to show you the magnetic field associated with a coil of wire. Here I have a coil of wire hooked up to a battery, and when I throw the switch, the current is going to flow through this coil and back into the battery. Here's a circuit diagram for that. Here's the battery, and the current comes out of the battery, flows around the coil and back into the battery, and this shows the shape of the magnetic field that's produced by a coil. Notice it's very similar to the shape of the magnetic field associated with a bar magnet. To demonstrate that, I'm going to use these supports here to hold up a piece of cardboard and put a piece of cardboard over that coil. And then we're going to demonstrate this by sprinkling some iron filings on here. These iron filings will act like little magnets and line up in the direction of the magnetic field. So we'll see the magnetic field in the plane of this cardboard, and so we can get an idea what the shape of that magnetic field is associated with a coil of wire. In this case, I can leave the current on just a little bit longer because there's enough resistance in that coil to limit the current. And I'll tap that just a little to show the vibration. And you can see the shape of the magnetic field lines as those iron filings line up in the magnetic field. And here's an attempt at drawing the shape of the magnetic field associated with the current in a coil of wire.